Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on JSS2 mathematics, where we were looking at expressing whole numbers in standard form. At the last class, I did explain to you how to express multiples of 10 in standard form. At the end of that class, I gave you an assignment, and in today's class, I shall be giving you the solutions to the assignment which you were to do. Kindly confirm what you have done with the solution I'm going to give at this point, and thereafter that will enable you to know if you are right or wrong and to take the necessary corrections. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you. You are also advised to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from these classes. So in the assignment 1, you are asked to express the following in terms of power of 10. 1 is 10, and I did say to you that in the last class, 10 can be expressed in standard form as 10 raised to the power of 1 because it is 10 multiplying itself once. 2, this can be said to be, this is a million, and a million can be expressed as 10 to the power of, you count the number of zeros in a million, that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's set to 10 to the power 6, because 10 multiplying itself 6 times gives you 1 million. 3, we have 10 billion. 10 billion can be expressed as 10 to the power of 3, 6, 9, 10, and this is 10 raised to the power of 10. All you need to do is, since it's a multiple of 10, you write down 10, and the powers is determined by the number of zeros you have after the first significant figure. Example 4, this is said to be 10 to power 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 10 to power 15. So these are the solutions to the assignment I gave you at the last class. Kindly confirm with that which you have done and take the necessary correction. If you still have doubts, you can use the comment section to interact with me. Don't forget to like this video as you watch, and also you're advised to subscribe if you're yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me, as well as to share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from these classes. Thank you, and do have a nice day.